my name is Mikhail, and I'm going to show you how to make a giant volcano. What you need for this experiment is some dirt, some soap, a bottle, a funnel, some baking soda, and some vinegar in a cup. I already poured the vinegar in here, and I put the baking soda in this bowl. So, first, you will have to get your soap, and you put it inside your bottle. 3 squirts. 1, 2, 3. A little bit more. I think 3 squirts is enough. That's enough. Now, I will get some of my baking soda. First, I'll put my funnel inside. Then I'll get my baking soda and pour it inside the funnel so it goes in the bottle. Okay, I think that's enough. Then I'll wear my gloves so I don't get dirty. It's a really fun experiment. I can't wait to show you it. Okay. You put your bottle in the middle of the dirt. Then you put some dirt around it. Don't let it spill. You don't have to use dirt. I just want to make it look like a volcano. Everything's falling down. Right? I think that's enough. I think I'll put some more soap in here again. Then I'll get my cup of vinegar. I'll use the funnel. And I'll pour it inside. Oh boy. That is a cool volcano. Now that is how you make your very own giant volcano. Hope you liked this experiment. Bye. It really is. It does look like a volcano. Cool. Feels building too. Bye. Like